Hey good people, it's me, it's Simply Mona, and today we're going to be unboxing a Ninja Creami. This video is not sponsored. This is just something that I got over the holiday season and I just wanted to share it with you. I'm unboxing it for the first time, or I should say hubby is unboxing it for me, and we will just show you a couple of things that we made for our first time using this machine. It is a seven different spins on the actual machine. I am not going to get into too much of it in this particular video because I am just learning of it, but I just wanted to share it with you. So what we're doing is taking all the paper off and all the tape and all that good stuff, and then at the top of the machine it just says if you scan here you can learn more about the machine. So all those barcodes now that you scan, it takes you right to the website or whatever to give you more information on things. So okay, so now I am going to start with my first sorbet. This is pineapple, canned pineapples, and the water, and it came like that in a can, and so I just froze it for 24 hours or more, at least 24 hours, and then now I am placing it inside of the machine. And I put Danger Will Robinson. Why? Because I had the top on and I had to remove it. I was about to mess up y'all already, moving too fast, trying to work with one hand. So yeah, so I end up taking the top off and snapping back on the top, and then I got that all settled. So then now I am placing it on the machine, and then I am going to lock that in place. And again, working with one hand, it was a little tricky, but I did get it in there, and so I got it to lock. Once you lock it, it moves up so that the machine blade can go into the actual ice cream or the sorbet, whatever you're making, and spin it for you. So I picked sorbet, back it up a little bit for you, and at the top, there we go. I picked sorbet, so it is counting down. That's what it's doing. That light at the top that I am barely showing because I don't know why. Maybe I was too close. Anyway, it is completing the first, second, third, fourth spin. It will stop on its own, and then you are to take the ice cream or sorbet off and do your taste test to see if you need to respin. If not, then you just enjoy. So, okay, we're getting to the point here where I am going to take it off. And open it and check it out. So I spooned a little bit into a bowl, and this again is the sorbet for pineapple. If you look a little close, you can see pieces of the pineapple. Even though it didn't taste like it, it was still smooth. It did have little pieces of pineapple in it, but it was really good, so I didn't respin. Taking my taste test, and I decided it was really good. It was very light flavor, doesn't have a lot of syrup or sugary taste. So if you want something like that, you may have to add more to it, but I just simply spinned it, ate it as is. So I did enjoy that. Okay, so we're moving on to the next, and this is the vanilla ice cream. So the first one was the sorbet. This one is vanilla ice cream. Again, I turn the machine on and off as I am using it. Turned it back on, hit ice cream, and the machine does all the work. So you just lock it into place and let it do what it needs to do. The reason for the voiceover is because the machine is quite loud, so I didn't want to be distracted. You guys wouldn't be able to hear me anyway. I'm yelling over it. Okay, so I took the top off of this one. It was extremely creamy, very good. Next ice cream we got going on here is the chocolate. All right, so the chocolate was fun, and I'm moving it faster now with the video, I guess. So I'm giving that a taste test. It was very good. As you can see, I did not one, not two, not even three. I tried it 4 times. That's how good it was to me. So anyway, I did a double spin on this one because I wanted to see how creamy it could get. Moving on to last but not least, this here is our applesauce. This is unsweetened applesauce because, again, I want to try more healthier versions as well. And so I got the unsweetened applesauce. Simply put it in here, let it freeze for 24 hours, and then I went ahead and hit sorbet. It was very nice, very creamy, very light. So I had got an idea to add a little sweetener to it, so I used my caramel. So I got my caramel, put it on the spoon, and I tasted it, and I loved it. I mean, it was really, I would say, beefed up the taste, the flavor. It tasted like a caramel apple to me. So I enjoyed that. After I cleaned up everything, I ate a bowl of it just to taste it again with not rushing. So I thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.